outfits are there as well.
Okay, I'll take a look at them. I'm fine, Nico Job. Okay, Francis. And Alan, I super love what you're doing. I super love what you're doing. Just from being a beginner na unafanya hizo vitu za unafanya zote, like that passion ya ku put in the work in the chat matters a lot. Within no time utashangaa mali utakuwa.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mhm. Okay, I believe it's now streamed. It's okay. Yeah, so we can kickstart. Najua Alan, you know nothing about the box. Anne, you saw the trade we did after practicing the W.
Yeah.
And it played out super nice for gold.
Wow.
Yeah, it played
Yeah,
out
that was good job.
both the box and everything, and I was like, wow, if anybody's seeing this, and actually I posted that trade very early. I was only
Yes.
live, so I was not asleep around 3 a.m. Then I saw that setup, and then I said, let me post it so that if anybody can see it, then they can be able to take it. I think Steven was the one who was only able to take it. Steven from UK, because he texted me immediately that time. He was asking me, bro, are you not asleep? I was like, no, I'm not. Mm. So I think he was able to capitalize on it as well. Let me share my other screen. We share my other screen. We do some backtest. Yeah, this week. Anne, you want to do the backtest?
No, I'm still
No.
a baby.
No, actually, by you practicing it ndio unaielewa kabisa, ndio unaelewa ni nini unafanya.
I'm not a good teacher. I can do it in
We are doing
secret
it
very
together.
well, but in public,
Okay.
I'm very useless.
Okay, I'll do it. Mara mingi natakanga nyinyi ndio mfanye backtest so that when you are solo, you guys will know what to do exactly. You can see my chart. And mniambie if my internet ina buffer, alert me.
Oh, it's good.
Okay. Saizi chenye Starlink inatufanyia hapa Kenya saizi inabidi unatafuta internet kama 2 3 kuwe nazo.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay.
Because especially in trading, if your internet latency goes low, that thing can mess you up.
Oh,
Can mess you up big. Mm. Do imagine you want to take profit or to secure profit especially during New York time. Market inakimbia alafu internet yako inaenda.
nakuosha.
Wanarudingi kwa chat hivi unashindwa what happened? You can see my chart, all of you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let me use forex.com.
Oh my God.
Mhm. Okay, I knew forex.com sina any kind of marking, so we can clearly use these. Which time frame do you want us to backtest today, Anne?
Let's start from 1 week, day, like that. Don't talk.
Okay. Let's do the what do we do? What do we do? What do we do? We do daily. Let's backtest the daily.
Okay.
When do we go back? We go back to, let's go back to a very long time frame. I don't know. I'm actually still on a cells. Look at me on. Yeah. Okay. So we'll go back some time back. Remove drawings. I'm actually expecting gold to come all the way down here. These areas
Yeah.
down. Yeah, it's just playing okie doke, but I'm still expecting gold to sell massively. We're getting that perfect alignment. If today we close below these areas, then gold will be dropping massively.
Yeah.
Or we get that W pattern coming as well. So let us go to backtest. Okay, which date? Which date? Which date? We backtest. Let's backtest last year. That's okay with you.
Yeah.
Let's start from last year because we are on the daily.
I'll be
Okay,
back 1 minute.
tuko date gani? Tuko month gani, Alan? Oh, tuko July. Yeah, so let's just backtest July. Yeah, last year. We do July last year.
Buddha.
So,
Next, si ulikuwa umesema I guess ilikuwa jana, ilikuwa sijui Francis ashare chat, alafu tupige hiyo combination ya support and resistance na supply and demand. So we are doing it tomorrow.
Tomorrow is Friday.
Tomorrow is Friday ama Saturday, sijui.
Tomorrow is Friday, bro.
Oh, Friday.
Yeah, we'll do it. I don't know. I don't know if Francis will be available kesho. Akiwa available, then we'll do it. If we're not available, we'll do it with you na mwenye atakuwa. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, there we are. So here we are. We went back to July last year. We want to backtest at least this month what happened. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
So tunaanzia huko. What can you tell me about the chart? Where is the trend right now?
Downtrend.
Trend is downtrend.
I think it's uptrend.
Uptrend. So we have this. This is just how sometimes how I do my just quick analysis. I just don't jump into the chart from nowhere. Oh no. Hii internet isinifanyie hiyo kitu naona inataka kufanya tena. So we've been trending up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Love that trend line. So Alan, you saying we are trending down is still okay for the last few 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, almost a week we've been trending down. This one. So you're still also okay? As only I haven't found a good rejection point, okay?
Yeah.
It's only that I now consider all this what? All this is a pullback. All this is a pullback. Okay? So based on the box, Anne, is there a place you can do a box right now that you can see clearly?
Yeah.
Are you able to annotate?
I think this maybe from here.
Okay.
Think so.
Let me just draw whatever you've drawn. And I'll want to see it. You said this one? That way?
No, up to here. Yeah, you are right. Up to there. Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay. So initially, I remember you always watch for the time frame that you are in. Remember, we are on the daily. So and you're just bumping into the chart right now, and this is what you see. Okay. So technically, our box is not going to be here because we are now trying to find out. Let me just put this aside a little bit. We have seen that this is the trend. The trend was going up. Okay. So if the trend was going up, you find those pullbacks, which are looking like a good, perfect area for consolidation. So you don't focus so much on the left, you focus so much on the
On the
right.
right. Oh, sure.
Okay. So on the right, can you see any structure areas that are kind of forming where the market has stuck for some few time? Where the market has stuck, and the only thing I can see, we had a perfect box around this area.
So I think
We
we have
have
like a small box around here. I'm sorry.
just draw it.
Then another one here. Yep.
Super. So the only current one that so the only current one that we can see, it is which one? The one that you were talking there,
Yeah, there.
which if you look keenly, it's like the trade has already played out.
Yeah, it has.
Has it?
It has.
Let's see. Let me just see. Let's see if that trade has already played out. If we had such a box, that is a perfect, nice break of structure as well. Then from the high to the low, which was here. Okay. So the only thing that which was not good with this box is one thing. Is what? Because technically, if we are doing the box strategy, is always trade with the trend So if the trend was down, and also always at least wait for it to come retest these areas. So in this case, this trend never came back to retest. I know, and that was the second phase that we were supposed to be doing with you. Okay. I know
Yeah.
yeah, I know we didn't do that. So we are still just on the box. Let's see if this one played out. Let's see if this one, the ratio added up. Almost, it never reached the TP areas. So, so we got the break. Now I think whatever is happening is the retest.
Okay.
You see that this is where we're expecting this trade to come to. Okay, so we did break below. Now retest of the box, which is happening for the sell to come to this area. So it's looking like something like this one. We are now in a perfect short positions. So we are now just at the entry. And then I'm going, I think the next lesson we'll be going with you guys, I'll be telling you why this could be a little bit riskier, okay? Because we already touched the negative 236, so we are going to talk about that. Anyway, let's look at how this one played. So the trade is where it is right now. We are entering. We're entering for sales. Perfect alignment. Let's see the box 1, 2, 3. So expecting it to fail a little bit. The only thing that I'm looking at is if we were looking at this bigger fib. I want to see something. Yeah, we have just reacted at the negative. Sorry, at the 618.
0.618. Yeah.
0.618. So this could be dangerous, but if the trade is to take us, so this trade is still good because of what? We still have the 786 below us, which is which the market can decide to come a little bit lower. So technically, this trade is nice. Taking those short sells are good. So we are taking, let's see what happened. Let's see what happened if we were taken out or not. What happened? Are we out?
Yes.
We are out. So this trade, we did what? This is a loss. Okay. So that one is a loss. Let me do this. We lost it like immediately. Just the next candle. Yeah, that was a riskier trade because of the reaction from the 618. So let's see.
So why was it risky?
You remember I fibbed my bigger fib, and then I realized
The buy fib, right?
yes, yeah, the buy fib. Then I realized we reacted back from where? From the 618. I don't know if you remember. I did something like this. I did something like this. My
Yes, I
low,
saw it.
my low to the high. Then I'm
Yes.
seeing we are reacting at what area?
Oh yes, 618.
At the 618, meaning what?
There's high chance of it bouncing back.
There's high chances of it bouncing back, which it perfectly did that. You can
Okay.
actually see even on the left side, this was a liquidity area.
Oh yeah, yeah.
A liquidity area. The other thing, what is this? Perfect demand area.
Yeah, demand area.
See that? You're able to see this rally-based rally here. Are not good, and it is not a good looking like one. Are you able to see this one? So this trade reacting back, you could have easily avoided it. You remember when I boxed these, I was able just to see that this is going to be a risky trade. And the other thing is this the first candle almost played out.
Yeah.
Almost played out, but it got it got rejected from the negative 236. Yeah,
Yeah.
so this was a massive fake out. Remember, the other time I was pointing to you where those fake out come from. It fakes like it breaks the box, it goes to the 236, then you get a massive pullback. Okay.
Yeah.
So technically, right now, I can decide to do something like this. How you're supposed to do this is now let's play it a little more to see if it's going to break above. Okay, we are getting a nice consolidation. So do we have another consolidation? I'll remove all these fibs. I want you to tell me. We're just testing the box.
Okay.
Do you have another nice consolidation?
Sure.
So if we are to box, is this okay?
Sure.
Okay. What is the low that made the box? It's where our loss was down here. The low that made the box. I'm not sure if I'm really pointing at where the main low is. It's here. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. When putting the fib, accuracy matters a lot, because if you miss even just like something little, unaweza ona ni kama trade imekukataa, lakini kumbe ni fib yako haikukuwa on point.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what unaona. With the fib, I'm normally very keen. So you can actually see even the box hatujakuwa keen nayo, so the box goes a little bit lower. Okay. Ala, najua unashindwa hawa watu wanafanya nini. Sijali, you'll reach here soon. Soon.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. So normally for a trade to play out in our box, we always want to enter either with either break, either it breaks above or it breaks below. So our target of the buys is going to be where? So we are journaling. I want us to backtest at least around 10 trades. Then we see how the strategy is doing. Okay. Yeah. Right now we're just doing a ratio of 1:1. Okay. So technically this trade, we're expecting it to go to the TP areas are going to be there. Yeah, it's a little bit, I love it when it's a little bit above the negative 618. I love it. So if it is for sales, then we're going to take to grab all this to come all the way down to here. So we're not entering until we get a break. Now, this one looks a bit good because it seems it came back, but not fully. Looks like it came back to the 618. It's not fully.
I don't even know the password.
So it looks like it almost touched the 618, but haikukuja vizuri, haijaiguza kabisa. So can we get another retest? So the only worry is it might want to come all the way down to the 786. So who is rooting for buys? Who is rooting for sells?
Hold on.
I'm going for the buys.
Let me see why I should give a reason why I should go for the. . . 。  . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 。 . 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 .
I'm rooting for buys.
Oh,
Ah,
Mr. Rain,
we lala.
unagurumia wapi hapo?
Welcome. Ndio.
Thank you so much. Niko kwa kona
Welcome,
ingine.
Hmm?
Oh.
Niko kwa kona ingine. I had not to miss this. Lazima ningekuweko.
Okay. So, Devi, hiyo candle hiyo ya black inikali poa, inakaa ni kama there is a lot of pressure upwards. Let's try buys.
Let's try buys. Okay.
Yeah.
So our buy entry, I will only buy at the zero, at the break of the zero. Not going to buy any other place. But I'm going to be a little bit wary of this one, of the negative 236. So let's see, because we're just backtesting the box. Let's see how it happens. So, Mr. Rain,
Yes.
we took a loss from this trade.
Yes,
So
I have seen it.
Oh, okay. So you were here.
I
Aya.
was here. I tuned in, but my background was a bit noisy.
Okay. Aya. Sawa. Let's see. Okay. It looks like now we've gotten now we have our 618 touch. Does it want to fake us out, or what does it want to do? Okay.
That's a buy. Take that buy.
Now we
Wait
have
and see Seitani.
Okay, just waiting for one more candle. I think mimi nikiona kitu kama hii, what kind of setup do I put?
Yes, that's a
Long.
buy.
A buy stop. Okay, dangerous. Anyway, so for me, I love dangerous things. Actually, technically, mimi saizi mimi trade ningeingilia hapa, but I'm telling you guys right now, the safest place to enter first is never at the consolidation. It's at the break. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, tukifika kwa hizo advance ndio mtaanza kuona. I think hata we answer hizo imeanza kuchezea hapa kwa 618 to that pullback. Okay. Let's go. Okay, it has faked me. Imekataa ku break. You see why entering a buy stop is dangerous?
I wouldn't have done that.
You see why entering putting up a buy stop is dangerous before the break and retest? I hope you can see that.
Yes.
So because it failed, ukiangalia vizuri, this is a supply area. And it's a supply area. Mi nataka kuweka kwa hiyo supply area, you wait for the break of the supply area. This is a supply zone. Kwa watu kama kina Alan, you guys are you able to see this is a supply zone?
Yeah.
This is a perfect supply zone. So, and at a supply zone, what do? We sell. You only wait for the break of the zone. So the box, okay. Let's see. This thing can come all the way down to the 786. And actually it will be forming what kind of a pattern?
An M.
An M. So when I see such kind, it's dangerous for me. Okay. Looks like the gods are with me.
And the devil also is with you.
There we go. So on my buy, I'm good. My buy stop is good. I'm deep into profit. So wale wa kungoja break and retest, we have the break. Let's see the retest. Okay, leo ilisema David, take your money. Wenye wanangoja retest, shauri yao.
Today God came himself.
Okay, so this was a win.
Wacha niulize a foolish question. Buy stop. What's buy stop?
Oh, Anna.
Kwa Kiswahili ama British English.
Nelson, wewe ndio Abantu, hebu jibu hiyo swali.
Buy stop ni kwa Kiswahili ni yani ni ile unaona ushailipia bidhaa kama haijafika.
Oh, prepay.
Yes. Pay before delivery.
Okay. Amazon. Okay.
Yes.
Got it.
I hope I
Thank
have
you.
explained it very well. You know my example ni mwecheche.
Hapo nakwanga sawa, si kwani ukuwa mwalimu?
Ebu and break it down now that umeambiwa hivyo, because I still feel bado your answer. Now that umeambiwa it's a what?
Ni kulipia bidhaa, yani in short, nileta kwa kizungu.
Okay.
So, it's like you are risking, like you are putting your money on the line, but expecting to get the product back to you. So it might come or it might not come, but at least you have secured a spot that this is my spot. When it come, I'm sure I'll be in the line.
Okay. I think you've technically understood that. Yeah, kulingana na venye umebreak, so that is nice.
It's like I think it's just like buying a product on Amazon, because you just go into Amazon app, you check on the things, and then you decide, okay, I'm buying these shoes. But you need to pay before Amazon start processing the delivery.
Okay.
But that's what I
So-
understood.
Okay. So let me give you just a little bit of breakdown. Is a buy stop is an order you place above price. Okay.
Above price. Okay.
And I think I went through this with you deep. Okay, let's say you know the price of unga is going to go up. Ama mahindi. Okay?
Okay.
Right now, the price of mahindi iko 50 shillings. But you know, ikifika 60 na i-break, itaenda mpaka 100. Okay?
Oh.
So the 60 level is so this is the price of, let me just do this. So as an example, this line I've placed here. So this is the price of nini saizi, the current
Maize.
price of maize, okay?
Yeah.
So this is the current price of maize, okay? And let me draw the maize for you. This is the maize. So this is the current price of
Maize.
maize. Okay?
Yeah.
So you're looking at maize is now at what level?
At the red zone.
At the red zone. Then you have the yellow zone above you. Okay? So we can decide to say this is 50. Price, okay? Then Alan, najua pia these guys, even you guys should pay attention on this. This is 60. and I'll add another more. This is 100. So I'll call 100 a blue zone. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, the current price is down here. Okay.
Yes.
And it's moving.
Yeah.
So right now, you can place what kind of orders if you think it's going to go up. The first order, I want
50.
somebody.
50.
Which kind of an order type will you place?
Buy.
A buy. Tell me what kind of a buy will that be? If you have the money to buy now right now, what kind of an order will you do? There are 3 types of order. So if you're going to take a buy, what can you do? I know it's a buy.
Buy
Okay.
limit.
A buy limit. So right now, you can place a type of an order called a buy limit, like this. A buy limit will always be below price.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So hapa mali if price ilikuwa kama wakati ilikuwa inaenda juu, the moment it was going up like this, unge place order yako kwa buy limit, then your stop loss is in the bottom. You get that?
Yeah.
So the market comes, activates you, and goes back up. That is what you are looking for. Okay?
Yeah.
But you've realized the market imekuja, so the first order yenye umesema ni the buy limit. The buy uwanga inaitwa the buy limit. Buy limit order. Okay? You can only place it below price. So market ikuje, ifike mali unafikiria itafika na irudi. Ikiendelea kwenda chini, what happens to your stop loss?
Inachotwa. It goes.
Inachotwa. So your capital, your protection. Okay. So
Yeah.
the first type of the order hapo umesema buy limit. Okay. You want it to come a little bit slowly, you activate. Okay. What kind of another order can you place?
Sasa hiyo buy stop, I think so.
Buy stop. Another one. Okay, kama bado hatujafika bado kwa buy stop. Mr. Rain, maybe utawasaidia sasa.
Buy stop limit?
Buy stop limit.
Hiyo ni gani?
Hiyo ni umeimplement.
Oh, Jesus.
Okay. And I will go through this again. Let me just go through it again. Kuna kitu inaitwa
market order. Hiyo nini umeandika?
Mimi nashindwa ni I was actually trying to read it nashindwa. I believe this is okay. How do we read this? Market?
Execution.
Nimesema execution. Unajua this word inakuanga very hard for to me. That's why na avoid ulimi yangu inakataanga kuingia nayo. Unaona na avoid kusema.
Execution.
Yeah. It's market actually I don't know if the spelling is correct, but it's market execution. I don't know if that is the correct spelling. Execution.
Yeah.
That is the correct spelling.
Yep.
Okay. Market execution is I'm on my MT5 right now. Okay? And I'm seeing the price iko mahali nilikuwa nataka enter my trade. What do I do? I push the button direct. Naenda hapa kwa buy. Kwa hizi vitu zinakuanga pa sell and buy, I buy
Yep.
immediately. Okay? So after buying that market execution is when now I'll come and put my stop loss and my take profit. Okay? Hii wanga ukifinya, hii ni ile voice ya Trump. Hii ni ile voice yenye Trump anapenda. Ile yenye unafinya kwa nini kwa MT5 inafanya tru. Okay? Ukifinya hivi unasikia tru, uko ndani. Kama unatumia MT5 kwa nini unasikia tinging kwa nini kwa PC. Okay? So we have the market execution. Okay?
Yeah.
So this was 1, 2. Now, what is the last type of order yenye sasa tunaweza chukua? Because nimewambia kuna 3 types of orders. Is what we call the buy stop. Okay?
Yeah.
So buy stop, wacha tuipeleke uko hivyo juu. You can actually place, so long as the market iko hapa, you can place the buy stop whichever way. Okay? All these types are buys, okay? All these are simply buy orders. Huh? So I'll input this long tool pia hapa. Muone. Okay, so these are my 3 types of entries that I can enter. Okay? So the first one for a buy limit is you're waiting for the market to come to you. To activate you to go up. Okay?
Yeah.
The market execution is direct execution. You push the button on the spot.
Direct. Yeah.
Direct. Okay?
Yeah.
The third type of order, na hii ndio najua inachanganyanga watu wengi, is I'm still expecting the market to keep on going up. Okay?
Yes.
I'm seeing the market right now, iko wapi? Iko kwa 50.
Yes.
But I fear the 60 might do what? Might reject price. And because I don't want to fumble with it, I'm waiting for the break. So my order here, sitaiweka exactly at the, nitaiweka juu ya 60 kidogo. So that the market comes, activates me, and continues to go up.
Okay.
Okay?
I get it.
So it's like, let's say, ulikuwa unajua leo gold automatically, like the kind of order that I did, that I did put. I knew gold was just going to sell. Okay? And because ilikuwa tayari imesha sell a little bit, and I didn't want to fumble with it, you go below it and you put an order where you're expecting those sales to come. The only worst scenario with this trade is if this thing comes to this area, activates you, okay?
Yes.
After it activates you, because the moment the moment the market moves and comes to your area, automatically your trade is activated. And once that trade is activated, then it starts going down. It might now get you out, okay?
Yeah. Yes.
But if it comes only to this area and it continues going up, you're good, okay?
Okay. Okay.
So this is it is more of a continuation trade. You want it to continue going up, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, so technically is the price of maize is still going to go high, na sababu wewe unataka kununua unataka kununua mahindi yako, ama tayari uko na mahindi, uko tayari na mahindi, okay? Uko tayari na mahindi, but you're thinking of the price is still going to go high. So what do you do? You put your order here. Wakati price ya mahindi itaenda juu, you'll take it, iende mpaka kwa 100 is when now you'll be thinking of selling it. Like you just keep it kwa store yako, okay? Yeah, it's you're actually bidding. It's more of bidding that the price is going to go higher. So you want them to come to your level to go higher. Okay?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So it's only
Okay.
you're waiting for it to break a certain threshold for it to go up.
I get it.
Yeah, it's more of like bidding. Wewe sasa una bid juu. Wakifika hapo watapata order yako ilikuwa hapo, then they take it, then it goes high.
Yeah.
Okay? Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, kwa Kiswahili kwa Kiswahili is very funny. If you decide to define them a buy stop, hapa inasema agizo la kununua litakalo ketelezwa pale bei itakapopanda na kufikia kiwango ulichoweka. Kiswahili is bad.
Kiswahili. Pia wengi.
So I believe this kind of an
Thank you.
order, yeah, I want you guys to really understand these types of orders, and I'm going to do it practically on MT5 with you so that you guys can be able to see. Okay? I don't know. I
Yeah.
think I should just take this chance and do it right now. Let me just log in into my phone so that you can see it. Let me just log in into this Zoom. Alafu tutaendelea na backtest kidogo. Ngoja tulikuwa tufanye backtest mingi because this one is coming in. I think that is more important. You guys need to be understanding what we are doing before.
Yeah, I'm sorry for taking you
No,
back, but I don't want
actually,
to
it's
pretend
okay.
that I don't.
Yeah, it's very much okay so that you guys, and that's why you seeing me sticking on this because najua hata inasaidia kina Alan wenye bado hawajafika hapo.
Yeah.
I'm trying to log in via my phone so that you guys can see what I'm doing with those type of orders. Just waiting for it to log in. Okay. So that's why I was telling you, you see, here we entered, for me, I entered a buy stop in this trade upper. Oh. This one. You remember I
Yes.
put it this. So you see, it came, activated me, and then it continued, then ikaenda chini. So it activated me, then ikaanza kwenda kwa losses. Before it came back again, na ikaendelea sasa kwenda juu. Okay,
Okay.
there's logging in now. Sijui kama itanikubali. Fanya chenye nataka. Okay. And I want to show you practically. I plan to do this as well. Okay. Allow me to stop sharing on this.
Mm-hmm.
I share my MT5. Mr. Rain, umeshatoka jiji?
Yeah, nimeshuka mahali so
Okay.
nasikia jam ni mingi.
Oh,
Yeah,
Nairobi shenanigans.
exactly. So I had to be here too. So
It's okay.
allow me to be in the dark.
Yeah, I accepted.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna share my chart. Share screen. Okay, mnaweza ona my screen, si ndio?
Yes.
Mnaona my phone. So, nakuja kwa my MT5, okay? Oops. I'm currently on a trade, so let me not gamble with I'm actually on my live account, so sitaki kumess nayo. I'll just go to a very pair yenye sio volatile.
In case of anything, change the lot size.
Yeah, ndo nataka niende kwa pair ndogo kwanza. Kwa nini ina behave hivyo?
Tumia euro.
Hii inanizimia screen kwa nini?
Si tunaona.
Yeah, nyinyi mnaona lakini mimi inanizimia screen. Okay, chart. Oh, ndio imekubali kwenda kwa Euro USD. Then I'll go to a smaller lot size of 0.0. At 0.0, 0.1. Okay.
Wewe.
Yeah, so all of you can see.
Yes.
Okay, then I'll go to the tiniest time frame. Unajua hii kitu inaweza play out venye nafikiria. So, are you guys watching?
Yeah.
I'm not seeing Anne. Anne ameenda wapi? Actually, mi naona buy stop hapa saa hizi tu. Anne amepotea.
By them and naona tuko 6 people.
Ako
Naona.
lakini ni hayuko kwa PC. Okay, so the first type of an order, and we were waiting for you. Remember, I was
Thank you
talking
so
to
much.
about, yeah. So the first type of an order we said was what? Let's start with market execution. And the market execution, I'm going to do something like this. I'm pushing the buy button. You can see on my top right, I'm pushing the buy button. It's saying buy.
Yes.
I'm buying
Yes.
directly. Boom.
Oh,
You can see I
yeah.
just click buy.
Mm-hmm.
You can see mali imeniingishia.
Yes.
So I'm now, it's saying I'm 0.03 USD on a loss. So because I'm buying because I want this thing to go higher. So so this is market execution. You can't put your stop loss. Let me just put my TP there and my stop loss below here. I'm going to lose 0.25 USD. It's okay. Okay, if I'm going to gain, I'm going to gain 0.28. It's okay. Then modify order. So you can actually see how my order looks like. This is my market execution. The other type of order that I can place, we talked of a buy limit order. Okay, a buy limit order. Now I come, click this circle. It's going to bring this line. So you can see if I go above price, it's telling me it's a sell limit. Are you able to see? Nikirudi chini inaniambia it's a buy limit.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see that? So if I
Yes.
place this order here, I'm waiting for the market to do what? Then I just say stop loss and TP and I activate this trade. So this trade will not be activated. This one will not be activated until the market comes to where this order is.
Oh,
For it
yeah.
to come below, activate me, then for it to go to the TP areas. Now let me put my TP area to be hapa and stop loss to be hapa. Okay?
Yes.
So this trade will not be activated. I can delete this order any other time. Ama naweza wachana nayo hapo. Okay?
Okay. Mm.
Let me show you another type of an order. The last type of an order yenye tulikuwa tumesema ni buy stop. So buy
Mm-hmm.
stop naona kuna price levels hapa. So kwa buy stop naona hii kitu ikikuja i-break hii line yangu ya red hii yenye naona hapa, I'm thinking the market to go. You can see my buy limit order is up. It's activated now. It's almost activated.
Mm-hmm.
Almost. Yeah.
Yes.
Mpaka wakati this red line itakuja iguze. Unaona kuna line mbili mahali hii price ina move.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So until where the red line, hii red line ikikuja iguze hapo is when my order will be activated. The reason kuna
Yes.
hiyo gap is what we ile yenye tunaitanga the slippage ya broker. Okay?
Mm-hmm. Mm.
And that's why unaona the moment enter this trade enter into negative is because of this gap. Okay?
Mm. Mm.
Okay, so my buy limit, it's going to be something like this. Sorry, my buy stop. My next order is going to be my buy stop. I'm thinking this thing ikikuja kwa hii level hapa juu, I want it to buy and continue going up. So unaona hapa chini niko na sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy limit. So I'm going to put a buy stop.
Mm-hmm.
Then activate it. Order activated. So this order here, buy stop, the market to come pick me. I don't know if you guys are actually following what I'm doing. This
Mm-hmm.
order to come, venye hiyo market inakuja hivyo, ikuje ini activate then iendelee kwenda up. That is what we now call my buy stop. Nime place my order above me.
Mm.
Okay?
Mm.
So if you guys see how many orders do I have active, so niko na buy limit. Hey, my buy stop imeshakuwa activated, my friends. My buy stop has already been activated. Can you now see?
Mm.
So I'm now into two trades. Unaona ilienda juu alafu ikarudi tena chini.
Okay.
So my buy limit has not been activated because price hii nini haijakuja mpaka hapa chini, lakini imeenda kwa my buy stop ika activate. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so this one, let me put a ratio for this one because I'm thinking this thing is still gonna go a little bit higher. Okay. There, stop loss. Just jawekea stop loss just below the 20. Okay. Okay, so you can see all my orders are now active. Okay, only my buy limit ndio haiko activated. You can actually see I'm now in profit in both.
Yes.
Yeah, so that is how you just do those kind of an orders. Easy ni vitu zenye zitakuwa crucial a little bit hapo hivyo ahead of you. So you guys need really to be aware of them. And I think I'm going to close both of them because I don't need them. This was just a close position. So hizi ni maprofit za 0.05, 0.05. Not so bad. That is how quick you make money. So ningekuwa nimeweka lot size kubwa hapo, hiyo 0.05 hiyo ni $5.
Hiyo ni pesa mzuri.
Okay, let me stop sharing this.
Na hujatoa buy limit.
Oh, sijatoa buy limit.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you know that.
So those are the things you should always remember. If you forget, unaweza enda ulale usahau kuna order yenye huku haitoa. Iko tu hapo. I wish you guys could have seen what ni nini may happen. Eh? It has gone all the way up within a blink. Oh no.
Market has rushed up.
Yeah, after you delete this other order. Okay, so we are done with that. Let's go back to sharing not turned on. Reclaim back your host control. There we go. Done. So I believe hapo tumepatana. Kuna any other question, any other concern? Kuna mtu ako na
No, thank you so much.
Awesome.
Appreciate.
Hide floating control. Okay. Aya, tuendelee na hiyo backtest yetu kidogo sasa. Nilichora vitu 80 na nilichora mingi sana. Vichuchu. Nelson, I had a way ya delete certain things haraka haraka, sijui nimeisahau aje.
Unless you remove all of them.
There's another way I used to do here. I think ni kitambo nikifanya screeners. I think it's chat. Yes. So I used to nimesahau lakini nisahau. Yep. Okay. Nilitoa mpaka short tool yangu by tool yangu hii yenye tuliwin. Let me just input it alafu we continue. So this is our second trade. It's a win. And I think this is going to give us more than 2%, lakini ni sawa tu. So this was a win. Then we let it run. Okay. Yeah, oh no. Naenda kwa annotate tena. Delete all. There we go. I'll play it a little bit so that we can see another structure level. Ala,
Imeamua
kurudi mpaka Chebarbar. So us exiting our trade was the wisest thing to do there. So I don't think I need these anymore. The reason I'm putting hizi zingine itatusaidia. So you guys mtanisaidia ku keep in the data tujue gani gani win gani tukuwin. I'm still not finding a good structure area.
You break below.
Okay. I'm trying to find a place we can literally draw a box. If you guys see a place we can draw a box, you tell me. Nataka nione venye nyinyi wanga mnafanya.
Hata mimi.
Si nyinyi wote. Eh,
Jesus.
I was seeing a very nice box here, but imetupita. None of you pointed it out.
I was about to tell you.
Okay, I think now I can do something. Let me just wait for one more candle. Yes.
I have a question.
Okay.
So with the boxes, which criteria, which rule are you following for the box?
Right now we're just doing the box and the fib to what recently I'm not like putting. We're just looking for a good consolidation. We bado tuja ile advance a little bit that you know about. Okay, I'm just doing so that kina Anna familiarize with the box. Okay.
No, it is not advanced. Oh, I think you have not understood. Like, how many candles are you looking at for you to draw a box?
None in specific. We're just looking for a good consolidation. None in specific.
Okay.
Yeah. None in specific. So you can see I've decided to do this because I'm seeing the market has revolved here for quite a number of times. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Do you agree with me with this box?
Yes.
Then the low that made the box, the low that made the box, the low that made this. I'm not
That
looking
one.
so I'm not looking at a specific Nini Nelson. I understand what you're saying. Yeah.
Okay. We are just making them to be familiarized with the box.
Yes. So the
Okay.
low that made the box, we are looking for now. If we break it, we go higher.
Higher than before.
Let's look at the range. We.
Don't like this device though.
Okay, let's see if it is to break above. Yeah, good. These will be our target areas. I love it when it's always below the 236. Sorry, the negative 618. Always love it. Then we break below the manipulation areas. Do we get to this point? I don't think so. So who is rooting for what? Who is picking a side? Start picking your side.
Just
You're going for buys or sells?
I like no. Hapo ndajiingiza. Though the sales the buys looks good.
Okay, let's do this. The buys look good. Yeah, we are inside the fair value gap, but I still want this thing to come a little bit below. So I'm seeing a manipulation here. Then also a bigger fib. This was like a sell fib. So yeah, but break of structure will be good. Let's see.
But yeah, and of course you are in between the demand and the supply.
Yeah. Okay, looks like our box is continuing. There we go to the break.
Your box will change color.
Kwa nini ni deep sana?
Yeah, it is dark. The candles are black.
Oh. Like that.
Best. And also the edge you can change the frame. Isifanane na candles.
Pangala. Okay, pinky. Okay, there we go. So what happens here? We did break below. I'm not loving the cells, but anyway,
It
I'm
it
not
is
loving the
what it
cells.
is.
Huh?
It is what it is.
I'm not loving the cells at all, at all, at all, at all, at all, at all, at all. Why?
Mhm.
I'm not loving the cells, so I'll just put the mid wall. I'll take it upper. If it's for me, I'll take it here. I'll take it to this area because of this kind of structure I'm seeing. If it is supposed to come to this area, let's see what happens. Then this thing should have been like this. These are part of the risky trades. Yep, I said it. Told you this trade is not good. Now, when such a thing happens,
Mhm.
decide to camouflage because I was rooting for buys.
Mhm.
So which type of an entry are we going to enter now?
That's a market. Okay, I'll be quiet.
Yeah, you can do a market execution, or we can wait for the retest. We can wait for the
I
retest.
I always like the buy limits and stops. Buy and the sell
Yeah,
limit.
so by
Mm.
limit should be good here. Let's see.
Mm.
Perfect buy limit activation all the way to our TP. All the way to our TP. Can actually see
Super.
this setup. So if we did not have a strategy, we could have known that down here this trade was risky. This was a manipulation. This one.
Mm.
Yeah, so this was a perfect manipulation. Nice break of structure. And another win.
I loved the buys.
So this was another win. So if you are David, hapa ungekuwa unasikia mzuri. Hapa this is what ratio? Let's
There's a
see.
one.
The 618. 1:3. 1:2. Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Nimeenda kwa 618. Yeah, 1:2. That was a nice super buy. So anyway, we entered just above here to get our 1%. We got it. You see, that's why I'm telling you, getting above here is a little bit safe here because you can actually see what the market does anytime it breaks the structure, anytime it breaks above the zero. Sio kama kutrade hapa katikati unapatanga zile inaitwanga nini, damu inapanda inashuka, inapanda inashuka. Does this thing want to go high ama inataka kwenda low?
Hypertension.
But ukienter hapa mara mingi inakuanga just either ikutoe mara moja, either ikuwe ni this, ikuwe ni manipulation, either ikuwe ni manipulation of what happened here. And you can literally tell where the manipulation will always come to. And that's why we use the fib. You can literally tell where the manipulation will come back to. So you can actually see we correctly call this as a manipulation. So this was a loss. We lost this one. If we detect it. So, but for me, I will not take that trade because it's not supporting my fib. I always wait for the for it because these are the manipulation areas. So okay, now let's look for another one, another one. Okay, this was just a one candle still. Okay, hii kama iliamua kwenda to the moon. Consolidation. Let's do more than 3 candles at least. Anybody seeing a consolidation?
Yes.
So we can literally now box it.
Super.
Anajua you guys are wondering kwa nini consolidation, kwa nini box yangu iko na actually ninatumia box ya fair value gap, so msijali. But nowadays I love having the midline just to see
The other guy,
what
where did he went?
which guy.
The guy that
Francis.
was Alan.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know.
He ran away.
Yeah, I know for them kidogo inawachenga kidogo with what they know about support and resistance, so wanashindwa watu wanafanya nini, wanatufunza nini alafu wanafanya nini hizi.
Mm.
It's because right now they cannot connect the dots.
Okay.
But they're going to connect the dots later on. So
Mhm.
let's see at like this. That was our box. The low that made our box is totally this, and that is our area. So I love it coming all the way down at least to the 618. I can see a good fair value gap if it decides to run, and the only risky thing is we never came back we have another one below here, so it's another liquidity area below our one. But anyway, sales will not also surprise me. So let's see. This is a trade to wait for the break. Okay.
Wow, perfect.
So the only thing that I'm not good with this is what? It's telling me to
618.
buy, but it never came back to my 618. So I know these buys might not be that volatile. So if I'm going to enter my longs, so if I'm to put 1:1, let me see if my 1:1 will be where. Okay, around there. So if my 1:1 is around there, then this one for me, I think my 236 will be my level to take profit. But anyway, let's see. Entering now this trade at the 0 can be a little bit riskier because this thing can decide to form that M. So let's see. Let's see what happens. Okay. Which kind of an order? Buy limit? Aha.
Do just a market execution.
Yeah, market. So can take any. So if you did a buy limit, market execution, all of them were good. Can actually see it came back, picked you, and then it decided to go up. So this is the best thing of entering trades above the 0. So you're now in profit. If you're still greedy, for me, I'm not so much good with this trade because it never came back to the 618, and that was my reason. Can you see? Perfectly touched around the negative 236, then it started to drop. So those are the reasons why. So it seems it wants to consolidate a bit more. Let's see if it goes to our take profit. Okay. So finally we got it. We got it.
Yep.
We got it. We got it. So if you're keen enough, if somebody else was looking at a different box, this was another box. Mwenye aliingia late aliona another box hapa na mwenye aliona hii box fibbing is low ingekuwa hapa, is low yake ingekuwa hapa, so it came back to the perfect 618 and it went all the way to the profit. Okay, so we did not see this. Sisi tulikuwa kwa ile ingine, but this trade is a win. Okay, let's continue. Those are how many trades so far?
5.
5 trades, another consolidation. Can you see that?
Yes.
Box. And msizoe consolidation, sasa msahau structure, fair value gaps. Hii kitu nimeona a lot of people face. So you forget looking at supply zones, demand zones.
It's tempting.
the box is only going to work if you're going to be consistent with it and we're very persistent with it. So which law are we going to use in this case? This is the law that I'm going to use, but with awareness. With awareness, we are having big gaps all the way below still. So this one came around to the 236, the 50, around the 382 upper, then ikarudi. So technically, the best trade, if it comes all the way a little bit lower, for it to buy will be good. But anyway, any breaks above or below, I can buy as well with caution. So who is saying buys? Who is saying sells?
Mm,
Mm.
oh, no. Unless I see one more candle.
Mhm. Okay, unless you see one more candle played, went
Yeah,
up.
nataka leakage.
That's a buy. That's a
So,
super buy. By the way,
so those
So,
it
so
was trying to,
mhm.
it was trying to create something like a rally-based rally.
Yeah. So those types of orders, let's see if it went directly to TP ama bado haijafika kwa TP. So do we get a pullback ama inataka ikwamie hapo?
Yes, Rudy.
Still, for me, it is still riskier because it never came back to the 236. Like so I only love that it came back to this gap, to the fair value gap, which is good, which was a good trade. Looking at this trade, it was a good. It came back to the structure area. Yeah, but we've been having gaps all over. So let's see what this decided to do now. Okay, TP all the way.
Did it
Okay.
came? Hold on. Did it just pull back to our entry?
Yeah, it did pull back to our entry. It did. You can see that
Yeah.
it did pull back, then it bought. So when you had gone pending orders, this was activated, then TP. By limit orders, all like two types of orders were executed: buy stop executed, buy limit order executed, as well as both of the three orders were good in this trade. Both of the three orders were good. So this is another win. Okay, and I'll want to find where my trade did win. It was exactly at this candle, so I don't need the rest of the candles. Okay.
This was a super trade.
Yep.
mm,
Another consolidation.
yes.
Oh, it break above.
Hiyo ili break above kama imeenda. Hiyo acha tuachane nayo. Hiyo that was too quick for us.
No, have faith. Have faith. Have faith. Draw the box.
Eh?
Let's
Box?
do it anyway.
Okay.
Let it be known that we drew the box. It is now the price did not come.
I like that.
Let it be known we did what we do best.
Okay.
Nice.
Our box. Oh, wacha mchezo toka.
Unajua a certain student anaweza watch video alafu aseme I saw my teacher skipping. Narudi.
So types of orders depending, blah blah blah. The low not so good. Yeah, so we can place a fib here to here. If we place it, no.
Wow, that was super amazing.
Yeah, 236. So the pullback came to the 236. Like mimi siku hizi naangalia na macho na najua tu mahali pullback ilikuja. And I know automatically where that trade was heading to. So bam, long trades hii hata hii tayari tunajua, so we know. So ama matani waulize where
Hapana,
you think
just
this is going to?
sasa
Mhm.
hii
A 1:1.
yeah, to be fair enough, we'll try to wait for the pullback. If we don't have it, then we missed it. So
Okay,
yes,
I don't think hii pullback itakuja kweli.
have faith.
I don't think so.
Oh,
Ikikuja itakuja wakati it's too late. So
we have that candle,
so
but
only
hii
buy
now I don't
so
like
only
this.
so only buy stops. So this one is way long. So let's look for the next thing.
Mhm.
Okay. Can you guys see another consolidation?
Yes,
Mm.
box it, box.
Remember, we're backtesting the daily. So if you are talking consolidation, at least 2-3 candles, this is a very big consolidation. This is one thing you
Yeah.
should. Yeah, because if price has been moving for 3 days at the same area, that's a very big consolidation area.
Mhm.
Ukienda kwa 1 hour hiyo utapata umechora zone nyingine kutoka hapa mpaka huku, very kubwa sana, and 50 trades inside it. Okay, with this one looks super good. Itabidi nitoe kidogo. We look for a charger. Okay. The reason I normally just put this fib is for those cushions for the cells, for the buy low areas, because the trend, you can see the trend has been up, 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 up. So anytime we're getting breaks below, you have that cushion that, okay, where can this thing react to go to back to? You get it?
Yeah.
You can actually see I'm trading in the favor of the trend. Okay.
Yeah.
And it is telling me the buy low areas only take cells with caution. Okay, and that's why I'm putting that for those types of cautions. Like, I know if I'm going to sell because just of the close of this box, I know my first 618 is here. So me taking this to the 1:1 can be a little bit trickier. Okay. Yeah. So those are the times, and then I just find, okay, ni nini iko hapa fair value gap, nini iko hapa demand. So can this thing want to come here? Of course, but first it might be rejected at around this area. Okay. Anything above us is a buy. If it never came back, you can decide to take your profit at the -2.7. If you're greedy enough, go all the way up to the 1:1. Okay, let's see. Who is saying, I was about to ask who is saying buys or sells. Najua kila mtu anasema sasa buy.
Yeah.
Haya, buy stop activated. Wacha tuone kama buy limit itakuwa activated, kama this thing will come back. If this thing will come back or it might fake us out. Let's see. 1:1 will be there. Good. Hii ni trade ya ngapi?
7.
7. We still have 3 more trades, then we can. Okay. This looks like it just went all, ilikataa kurudi, ilienda kwa TP areas automatic. So buy stops worked, sell stops, nini buy limits not. It only pulled back to this level, never pulled back to a very good level. So another one. So we can say it. There we go. And I forgot to, I did not count this because we did not see it. Hatukuchora hiyo box mapema, tulingoja. Okay. So hizi trade zote zinatopea 1:3 because zote zinaenda kuenda. Ni kama gold was just trending up. Ooh, that was a big pullback. Okay, another consolidation. Another consolidation. Okay, do we do buys today or do we do sells today? Do we do buys today or do we do sells today?
I think the market may want to sell a little bit. Let's
So
see.
let's see.
Let's
Yeah,
see the
so the market has been bullish. I want to see if this is almost same. Maybe it's the wrong tool. You're picking the wrong tool there. I want to see something here. Okay. It's just a wait and see. Okay, there we go. There we go.
Oh,
We got the first break below. The first break below.
that was massive.
Yeah, that was a massive break below. Now, do we continue for sales or all of you are fearing the 618?
No, I like the sales right now.
Okay, let's do a ratio of 1:1. We're just following the box. Market execution will not be the ideal trade in this place. Don't put, when you see, you don't want to put your order here for sales. Always wait. Like kama imefika mpaka hapa, wachana nayo. This will be now before mowing, okay? You'll find yourself losing a lot of money. Kama imeshaenda, unapata imeenda almost to your take profit area, leave alone that. Just wait for a different order or just put a pending order there. That's why I'm putting such things. Okay? Ukiingilia trade, unaingia sell, you're FOMOing. And if this thing decides to go back all the way up, you lose a lot of money. Okay? You will
Yeah.
lose money. Kama ulikuwa kwa sell stop, it's okay. This is good because you're now deep into profit. But pushing at the bottom here, and if you look left, remember, these are now the things we keep on saying. You don't forget about the basics of trading. Like, why did the pullback come back here? You can literally see there was a very nice fair value gap here. So,
Yeah.
so this thing can literally go back up, or we can decide to come and cover this. So, actually, nikiwa player slow, wacha tuone. Let me just go fast. You can see.
Oh, yeah.
So we continued going down. Tutors are good. Then we rejected the 786.
It never came to the entry.
It never came to the entry.
It
never came to the entry.
I loved the sales either way.
Okay, now it looks like it's going to the entries.
Oh no, I don't like that. That's another box.
Yeah, so this one is telling you what? There's a massive war between sellers and buyers, sellers and buyers, sellers and buyers. And actually,
So we have not taken our profit yet.
Even we are not in the trade.
Even we are not in the trade, because I said this trade is risky entering where it was. So you wait for the like it almost came to pick you, but never. Almost. You missed it by some points. Mona hapa.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So Nelson is saying another box. You can decide to draw another box here.
Yeah, and still keep our order there so that we might see how it will play. Yeah.
That was a 3-day consolidation. Now in this case, what kind of fib am I putting?
Selfie.
You see patient space?
Yep.
The high that made the box, because our box is forming below, and we're just this trend from here to here to here. Okay. Yeah. So in this case, I'm loving this kind of pullbacks. I'm loving these pullbacks as a 618 for it to sell dramatically. So sell entries 618, good ones. So let's see.
Support of supply zone.
Okay, just decided to break below.
Yeah. Take the damn sell.
Short.
That one I might do a market execution.
Yeah, 1:1. Yeah, hii sasa unaweza fanya market execution, haijaenda sana.
Yeah.
1:1 will bring us around these areas. Not so much. Apo. Okay, let's see. Aha. So this one
Pick it
won.
up. Which one?
This other trade, this one.
Mhm.
But it never came back to our entry, but it won. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, now this one, let's see if this one will win. Okay.
Oh, you almost
It's
hit the TP.
it's doing that thing. It's doing that thing, what the market does best.
That's another
Play with
box.
your mind. Mhm.
You're having multiple boxes there. Oh, love that.
Now, this one looks mwecheche. Mwecheche. Okay, it looks like this one almost came. So break below, take those nini, break above. We still have the high of this one, which is I'm still big on it. So let's see. Okay, yeah, exactly like I said. So Nelson, you're deep into negatives in this profit, in this trade, this one, you're deep into negatives.
I'm about to donate.
You're about to donate now.
Let's see. Oh, I don't like that that blue candle.
So does it come back to pick us up on this box? I don't think so. I'm thinking this thing wants to go all the way up to this area, or we might sell from where it is massively. Yeah, because we are at 786 ya hii fib ndogo, lakini let's see. 1:1. There we go. There we go. Typos orders. My limit was a good one. My limit was a good, buy stop was a good one in this case.
Let's see.
Okay. Straight to TP, straight to TP.
No, that's not a good one. Good trade.
Okay. Exactly, we're now rejecting at that 618 yenye tulikuwa tunaona hapo. So this one won. This buy won. It's only that it never came back to pick as wale watu wa buy limit orders. And we have a loss here that we must account for. This one. It came deep to our TP, then what happened? You can actually see why this trade, I was talking about this trade, you can see, came back to what levels? Fair value gaps areas, and look what happened. Turned up dramatically. It went up dramatically. So let's see. Do we now start getting those shots? Hey, is it any trade ya ngapi so that we don't exhaust?
11.
11. Oh, somebody has been taking records. Good. Let's take just the last one. Alafu at least we have 12 trades. Then we
Yeah.
count tuone ni if we are doing good. Okay, yeah. I said I'm expecting massive sales. Why?
Whoa.
This
So that,
was, you remember this trade I was thinking about here kitambo? Maona
yes,
618.
yes.
So it's when we are reaching there.
So it also left a big fair value gap there. I think that's what attracted price.
Could also be the retest of the box.
Mhm,
Yeah, could also be the retest of the box. So,
mhm.
but okay.
Our trade has now been activated.
Yeah, I trade iko active for the buy
I
limit.
just really lose.
No, we
Bado.
won for the
Oh,
buy
ilikuwa
stop.
imeingia. Oh,
You see, for the buy stop, it was a win. For the people who are waiting for the break and retest, they are still not in. Ndio sasa wanaingia.
Si uchukue hizo $10 utoke.
hiyo patience inatoka wapi?
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, and I'm actually feeling that you guys are going that this trade is going to lose because of just this. This area was a big one. This thing can drop massively. Una remember tumeacha gaps mingi sana huku chini.
Yeah.
So or we get
Let's give it a try.
retest. Let's give it a try. Okay, you're deep in profit. Big consolidation. Sasa hii ni kama inataka ile battle ile yenye tulikuwa tunaona pale. You guys
Yeah.
remember such pattern? You remember this pattern here?
Yes.
Somewhere here?
Yeah. It is.
Yeah. This is the best thing with backtesting. You get familiar with the chart over and over. Mpaka ukienda kwa live chat unaonanga tu nimeona hii kitu wapi? I think itafanya hivi na hivyo exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. So who is thinking what? Who is thinking what?
I'm thinking we might now still have the buys.
Yeah, the buy can play out a little bit, can go a little bit further high. I'm also seeing that. Only that it's riskier. Now this box is going to be riskier if it might fake us out. Let's see. If we measure this trade for the buys, will it be at what I'm thinking? Yeah, it will be break of structure above, which is a massive war for such a thing to happen. So let's see. But if it goes to our 786, good, take profit areas ya ile trade ingine, ile yenye walienda buy limit ya hapa, wale watu wa kungoja trade 300. Entries. People doing the entries. I'm just wary of this trade. I'm literally wary of this anyway.
Have faith.
Mimi mambo ya faith na trading.
Faith, wanasema faith ni ya gamblers.
Mimi na faith na trading nilitoa. Kwa faith, wacha nitafute grace ama mercy, lakini faith.
No, listen to me. I mean,
like for me with such a trade, I can just decide to take like small trades, lakini
let me
So
defend my answer then.
Anyway,
Okay.
1:1. So 1:1. Let's see. Let's acha tuone shemeji Faith amefanya nini.
Really call him on the middle of the goal.
Mimi hapo ningekuwa kwa hiyo trade, I'm almost existing, which is looking good. So the trade is looking good. Activated.
Hello.
We're going up. Retest. So I think we go all the way up now without. So Faith, did Faith do that thing?
Okay.
Another box.
Yeah.
So the guy with Faith is still waiting. Mimi hiyo trade nilikuwa niko nje kitambo.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
No, now it is faith with action, bro. If you see this, you run.
I like that.
If you see this, you run. You saw that. What candle is that? That one is a very.
That is a hammer. You ran a dodge.
You run, hey.
Una dodge.
Bro. And then you see where the candle formed at the liquidity area. Oh no, I can't stand that candle.
At least you have something in the pocket.
Yeah, I collect my money.
Yeah. So I love this low. This is the only low that I love.
Which one?
Now I only love this low.
Mhm.
At least it makes a little bit of sense. What's happening? Nimeactivate nini hiyo? Oh, ETM. La, 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 la. I've activated my the ETM hide.
Shangaa kitu inatokea ovyo ovyo.
Aya. Sasa who is saying tunaenda juu ama tunaenda chini? And this is going to be our last trade. Actually, tumekaa hapa sana sababu hii trade imekataa kuplay. Hii trade ya
Ila
faith.
tutaenda chini.
Hii trade ya faith hii. Aya, let's see.
Niambie.
At least alipatamo kitu.
At least ilikuja kwa tuvitu tufetu. Ni kama inataka kuconsolidate. Aya, faith now got it.
Yeah, bro.
Can you see? With the support
Well,
evidence?
don't play with
Nilikuwa nakuuliza tu.
don't play with prayers.
Aya,
That was
mimi
nice.
this was a long.
Yenye ilikuwa hiyo size niliangalia nikapata kumbe ilikuwa blue.
Wewe unaongea na nani? Msalamie.
Unaongea na Faith.
Okay, so this was another buy. I think he almost came to the TP, but now imerudi tena chini, but almost kwa TP uko juu. So this is going to be our last trade. Let's see. Hii ya faith ilikuwa win pia. We say it was a win. Win. Okay. With this one, this is going to be an automatic win. It came back to the 618. Hii hata ina story ingine.
So ikikuja kwa 618 uko tu sure itaenda juu.
Hiyo hata sifikiriangi mara mbili. Look what happened. This one came, so long as it came to the 618, mimi mara mingi I enter here. So wanga I enter here because I want to take a bit of more profit. But so I'm going to teach you about that. But right now, because we're entering above the zero, that's why I'm putting my long to upper. You can actually see it took us like no time for us to get there. Trade zote zinaendanga to zoom.
Exactly.
Yeah, because it has left like literally nothing. So this was another win.
Okay, let's count our eggs.
Win. Okay. Sasa wacha tuone tulikuwa tunafanya nini.
Sorry. People don't like seeing me.
People don't like?
They see me online, instead of giving me time, they call me.
Aya, sawa. So I want us to be counting the wins. 1, 2, 3.
3.
Tuko pamoja, tuko kwa hii.
Yes, na hiyo ya juu.
This one.
What about this trade? Do you mean this trade did not win? Or we lost
Which
it?
one? Which one?
The one after the one with the loss at the bottom.
Okay.
This.
Yes.
This one was a loss. It never came to the TP.
Okay, what about the other one? The next one, upper, the upper one. Yes.
Oh, I did not write it because hatukuwahi enter. Mkumbuka tukisema?
No, we were waiting for a pullback.
Yeah, the pullback came here, but also huku utaentea hii trade huku, ndio hii mali pullback ilikujia, you see.
It is what it is.
Yeah, so
Like
this
hizo
one
ni siku
achana na hii,
mingi. Hiyo
hizo ni siku
achana na
mingi sana. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5. Actually kuna hii hapa yenye pia tulitoa sababu it never came to our entry. 5 6 7
8
8
9.
so we got 8
Is
wins.
it 8 or 9?
8.
Mimi si nimeona 8 ama wewe unaona nini?
Kana na 9. Anyway.
Hata nifanye hivi basi.
I think my screen is a bit smaller, and that's why. Nateseka.
Okay, hapa tunaweza zicount zote. 1 2 3 4
Umetuua
5
sasa.
6 7 8.
Yeah,
Oh, nyie hamuoni nimeweka ni ndogo sana.
Ni hata hapa nasikia kura
Lakini bora
iliibiwa.
utuhesabie utupe the correct number.
Hapa
It's
nasikia
8.
kura
It's 8.
8.
Yeah, si unaona hii jina wins unaona inaapia 1 2 3 4 5 6
Hapa
7
nikujie
8.
na ingine na.
So those are 8 wins.
Niliona kwa room ya
Then we had how many losses?
middle room. Yeah, katikati.
1 2 3.
Yeah,
So
wageni.
total of 11
Bedroom
trades.
hiyo empty bedroom.
Then we mixed one.
Unajua karibu tunatoka.
Okay, so total trades. Our total trades are 11 trades. Umeandika trades.
Was it 11 or 12?
11. Ama unaona trade gap si ni 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Na hiyo ya juu ni 11.
Okay.
Yeah, it's 11 trades.
And 2 loss and 2 uncounted and 3 losses.
Actually hizo uncounted nimezivuta zote, nimezivuta,
Okay.
so 3 losses and 8 wins. So these are just results of the box strategy for daily time frame. You guys can give it a percentage of the risk to nini out of 100%. What could be your percentage win nini percentage?
That's this is
Si mbaya. Si mbaya.
70 to 80%. That's 80%.
Yeah, that's so, and you can actually see we've just been doing like more of the box. Hatujakuwa hata tukifanya sasa like wacha tuchukue a risk of reward of 2:1. And actually if you notice most of our trades zimekuwa zikiplay with what risk percent. So if we start from here, tuanze na hii hapa. What percentage did it play out? So this one we lost it. Oh, huyu anipigia simu saizi, nitampigia baadaye.
Wanasumbua.
Hello, Mr. Francis. Hello. Yeah, salama sana. See, I call you kindly please. Niko kwa class ingine hapa namalizia, alafu I'm calling you back right away. Okay. So this win, this was just a 1:1. This one, the first one. Can you see it? Oh, niko kwa call bado.
Yes.
Ama unajua naweza kuwa nimeshika simu nimejishuku naweza kuwa nimeshika simu nikanyonga call.
Bado huko